Dean, look at here, the alien.
Oh wait. Oh my god, ow! That hurt! Ow, ow. I want some more food.
Good, relax, relax.
Give me.
Wait.
Ow, can I stop now? It really hurts right now. Ow. Can I stop now?
Sure, you can drop the food.
Ow. Can I let go? Oh my god,
Are
sorry.
they fairy birds?
That really hurts. No!
What are they?
They're the parakeets or the budgie. They're a real bird. Okay, careful with your stuff.
I want some more food.
Meanies, I thought you were cute. You guys are mean.
Foodie.
You guys are so mean.
I want some more food.
Sige ate, just give him.
Oh my god.
One more for
I
them.
just wanna pet him in the back.
Ma'am, kayo po ba? Sila po yung magsisilbi sa kanila. Dito na lang.
It's in your shoulder, Ian.
This is a great experience, kids.
Thank you. Ikaw na next, Lynn.
Careful with your stuff.
I'm looking for my stuff.